Everyone is talking about AI right now. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Cloud. New AI tools are launching almost every week. But honestly, most people still don't know how to actually use AI properly. And that's the biggest problem. You watch random YouTube videos, try different tools for 1 or 2 days, then get confused and stop learning completely. So in this video, I am going to show you a platform called Coursiv that's trying to make AI learning much simpler and beginner friendly. Instead of spending hours searching which AI tool should I learn today, it gives you structured daily lessons. AI challenges, built-in tools, prompt templates, and even certificates, all in one place. And the interesting part is, most lessons take only around 15 minutes a day. So let's see if this is actually useful for beginners, creators, freelancers, and people who want to finally start learning AI in a practical way. So this video is sponsored by Coursiv, and in this video I will be sharing my honest walkthrough and experience with this platform. This is the dashboard of Coursiv, and honestly the first thing I noticed is that everything is organized in a very beginner friendly way. Instead of throwing hundreds of confusing AI tools at you, it gives you a proper learning path. Right here, you can see different guides based on AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, and more. But what I personally like is that they also organize lessons based on goals. For example, if someone wants to learn AI for content creation, affiliate marketing, AI image generation, business productivity, or side income ideas, you can directly choose that path instead of randomly searching on YouTube. Now let me open one of these lessons. And this is where the platform becomes more interactive instead of just being another boring course website. You can actually go through quizzes, exercises, prompts, examples, and practice tasks while learning. So even if you are completely new to AI, the lessons are simple enough to follow step by step. And another thing I like that most lessons are short. You don't need to sit for 2 or 3 hours watching long tutorials. Most of these are designed around quick daily learning sessions, which honestly make it much easier to stay consistent. Now, one of the biggest features inside Coursiv is the challenges section. And honestly, this is probably the part that makes the platform feel less overwhelming. Because instead of asking yourself, which AI tool should I learn today? The app already gives you a structured daily plan. For example, there is a 14-day AI challenge, 28 days AI challenge, no code challenge, side hustle challenges, and many more. So every day you learn one specific tool or concept in a simple step-by-step format. And I think this is actually smart because most people quit learning AI not because it's hard, but because there are too much information online. Here, the platform removes that confusion completely. You just open an app, complete the lesson, and move to the next day. It's much easier. And since most lessons are short, it feels much easier to stay consistent compared to watching random long tutorial online. You can also track your progress, continue where you left off, and build streaks for daily learning, which adds a bit of motivation as well. Now let's talk about the AI tools section, because this is the another feature that beginners will probably find very useful. Instead of opening multiple websites again and again, Coursiv gives you access to different AI tools directly inside the platform. You can see tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, image generation, and other AI models here. And what's nice is that they also include ready-made prompt templates. So if you are someone who always thinks, why should I even type into AI? Then these prompts can help you a lot. For example, let me try creating an image. I will type something like simple like this. Create a futuristic cyberpunk city at night with flying cars and neon lights. Then you can choose the image style, size, and settings from here like this way. Now let's generate it. And within few seconds, the AI creates completely unique images based on your prompt. You can also use this for your social media content, YouTube thumbnails, marketing ideas, product concepts, logo inspiration, and much more. So instead of just reading about AI tools, you can actually get to taste them inside the platform while learning how they work. And honestly, that makes the whole learning experience feel much more practical and interactive. Another thing I noticed is that Coursiv try to keep users motivated instead of making learning feel boring. For example, you can track your daily streaks, lesson progress completed, challenges, and even unlock certificates after finishing certain learning parts. I can see why this matter because most people start learning AI for 1 or 2 days, then completely stop. But when you can actually see your progress growing day by day, it becomes easier to stay consistent. Now let me show you the certificate section. So after completing certain guides and lessons, you can earn certificates that you can even add to your LinkedIn profile or portfolio or your resume. For beginners, freelancers, students or creators, I think this is a nice extra features to highlight because it gives some proof that you are actually completed a learning path. And overall, I think the biggest strength of Coursiv is not that it magically turns you into an AI expert overnight. It's more about making AI learning feel less confusing and more structured for normal users who are getting started. So overall, if you are someone who wants to start learning AI in a more simple and structured way, I think Coursiv is definitely worth checking out. I like that it combines short daily lessons, AI tools, prompts, quizzes, and challenges all in one place, which makes the learning process feel much more practical and beginner friendly. Of course, you still need consistency and practice, but if you want to explore the platform for yourself, I will leave all the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what AI tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.